Here's Nina playing with a toy. You can see her little foot is not as it should be, but that's not slowing her down. Hi! That's your second toy now. Is your leg giving you trouble? Is it giving you some trouble? No, I'm playing with my toy. Good girl.
Look at you, little pretty girl.
She's playing. Uh-oh, who's that? Who's this one? She's playing with the toy. Yeah. Oops. Who's that knocking my elbow? Oh. Aww. Poor little girl.
In their eyes, we failed. So they basically cut off the front back of us, but that's what I had.
Someone's trying to get into the food. Oh, something's happening in the puppy room. Okay, there's the rowdies. Here's the rowdies. With the long-suffering mama. She goes, oh God, I can't wait for these kids to finally leave home and get jobs. No. Those definitely seem to be the rough and tumble ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is Nina on her cushion? Really? Oh, that is Nina. She's playing. That is her. That's right. You give us what you get. You tell him. You tell her. Say, I'm not a pushover. I'm not a pushover. I'm Nina, and I'm awesome. Oh, they're too darn cute. Oh, don't get cornered. Don't get cornered. Yeah, it looks like the weight of her leg is getting in the way of her finding her balance. Good girl, Nina. Good girl, Nina. You tell her. I'm not a pushover. There you go. There you go.